What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Tzumi Flexiview hands-free smartphone holder I picked up at Walmart for $4.88. Out of 5 stars, it gets 4 out of 5 out of 228 customer reviews. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions to find out if this product is any good. I do have a few questions, such as, can you interact with the device while it's in the smartphone holder? Let's go ahead and get into the box here. It is universal with all smartphones. It does offer 360-degree rotation capability, and it is advertising the idea that you can use your phone hands-free, which is something that I'm interested in. I know that when I am laying down in bed, my arms get really tired and they get sort of numb and tingly. As you can see, it looks like the lady on the box is sitting on the couch and she has the phone propped up. It's holding onto her neck. But what's actually really cool is it doesn't look like you have to have it on your neck. You can actually sort of set it up on your desk. Let's go ahead and get into the box here. So there is a piece of tape on the back. Let me go ahead and get the scissors. So we'll go ahead and just cut into the back like so. Now, I'm not really worried about keeping this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and destroy the box. And as you can see, those flaps open up there, and we're greeted with our product. Now, it is upside down. Everything's gonna fall out, so let me flip it over here. And there she is. So go ahead and put the box off to the side, and you get it in this plastic tray here. You do get some advertising on the inside, and you get the Tzumi smartphone holder. And what's actually really nice is you get this sort of foam cushion to protect your device. What else comes in the box is the flexible stand. I actually like the build quality of this flexible stand. It actually feels pretty durable. It actually feels pretty sturdy and safe to use. So here it is, sort of propped up on the table here. You can actually bend it sort of any way you want. Let's go ahead and see if we can't set this up without having to read the directions. So let me go ahead and just see if I can't force it down in there. Okay, so all you have to do is just force it down in there, tighten this down, and yeah, it should be good to go now. Not really sure. Okay, so there is like a sliding mechanism here, and we'll go ahead and we'll just place the phone in the holder. And as you can see, what I don't like about this product so far is it does cover up the rear camera. So if you are FaceTiming someone, like sitting on the couch, and you have this around your neck and you want to switch it to the front-facing camera, you're going to be out of luck with that. But what I do like, though, as it's in the cradle, you do have access to the volume up and down buttons, the mute switch here. You have plenty of access to the home button there, which is really nice. Let's see if I can't just move it away from my face a little bit more. Yeah, you can. You can move it away from your face a little bit more to something that's a little bit more desirable. I just want to go ahead and see if I can't place this on the table again. Really not a fan of this so far. I would much rather just get the stand that you can clip on to the side of your desk or whatever. Once you sort of adjust this in any particular way, it's really hard to get it back to the way it came out of the box, if that makes any sense. I think once you take it out of the box and adjust it to the way that you want it to fit around your neck, you're gonna have a really hard time getting it back into a position that makes it easy to stand up like on a counter on its own. Anyways, yeah, let's go ahead and sit on the couch and see how comfortable it is and find out if this really is any good. Hey, okay guys, so I've got this thing around my neck. As you can see, I've got no hands. We're videotaping myself. I've got my hands in my pocket here. It is sort of looking up my nostrils a little bit, so I guess if you're going to be FaceTiming with this, you're definitely, obviously, just gonna wanna look at the camera. It's not too bad, But I am sitting here on the couch, as you can see, and it's actually very comfortable. And it's a really great viewing angle, I will admit it. At first I thought it was a little bit close to my face, but now I'm having second thoughts and I'm like, you know what, this is actually really nice. Also, it doesn't seem that the weight of the phone is making it, what should I say, flimsy in any way. It's not like making this contraption sort of lean over or wobble or get out of the viewing angle that I have it set to currently. Not sure how that's going to work out over time. Maybe after using it for an hour or so, maybe it'll, you know, move out of place a little bit, not sure. But right now it feels really confidence inspiring, and I feel like I could sit here and talk to you guys hands-free with the phone looking at me for quite a long time. So that's good news. What else should I say? I guess if you're interacting with the phone, you know, if you're going home to your home screen, if your phone doesn't have an orientation, like a home screen orientation feature where all the apps realign themselves, then you're going to be using this in portrait mode while the phone's in landscape, if that makes any sense. So that's a little bit of an inconvenience, of course, but I think overall, if you're just going to use this to make FaceTime calls hands-free, listen, you could even walk around the house a little bit, though it's a little bit wobbly, I would say. You know, I'm walking around, as you can tell. So yeah, I would say just sit down with this or lay in bed with this and it will work out well for you. But I like this idea. It's only $488. You can't go wrong with it. You know, it's like, why would you return it after buying it for $488? And it's a pretty cool contraption that you can wear, you know, at night to go to bed, to watch a movie in bed or something like that without having to hold your phone up. All right, guys, so that is the Flexiview hands-free smartphone holder I picked up at Walmart for $488. Out of 5 stars, it gets 4 out of 5, and I think I can see why. And it's because it's hard to place the phone on a table or a kitchen counter after you've opened it and adjusted it to fit around your neck. It's a little bit of a hassle getting it. As you can see here, I'm still having a hard time getting this to get into a position that it works standing up on the counter. As you can see, it's just kind of falling over. So yeah, I would go ahead and give it 4 out of 5 stars. But like I said, if you're just gonna sit on the couch or lay in bed and have this thing around your neck, it's totally awesome. Anyways, guys, my name is John because I picked up the Flexiview hands-free phone holder from Walmart. That does make it a big box good for $488. Out of 5 stars, it gets 4 out of 5. Out of 228 customer reviews. If you guys want to see more content like this, hit that like button, subscribe. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in and subscribing if you have already subscribed. My name is John. I will see you in the next video.